Welcome to BabyBlab. On this beautiful journey, as a new parent, you will follow and learn how to take care of a newborn 24/7, step by step, tips and tricks on a daily basis. Let's share some ideas and experience together. Stay tuned, my friends. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Let me tell you something. Today we have a special day. It's our fourth day, and fourth day means having a newborn. He is celebrating his first Thanksgiving. So we're gonna have him right now changing on his outfit. Look at this guy. He's just right there getting ready. Right, Zaid? Say hi to everybody. So this guy, I'm gonna come back to you guys in a few seconds. So we're getting him ready. We're gonna change his diaper, and let's see what kind of outfit he's gonna have today. Look at this. Mommy is working on it, right, Mommy? Yeah. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
There we go. And the baby's just getting ready. Guess what? You guys gonna go crazy with his outfit.
Going to be a little turkey today.
Can you show the outfit?
Oh, here's his outfit.
Look at this. Guys, it's gonna be amazing, his outfit. Oh boy. All right.
So cute.
We're gonna be on the changing right now position. He's ready to go. Okay, Mommy. It's gonna be on your hand.
He's like, what am I doing today? He's like, what's going on here? Oh my god. What is so funny?
There we go. We are ready for the gabba gabba. Where's the... This guy, his first Thanksgiving. Ooh. Babe, look at it. Guys, you guys, look at this. Gabba gabba. Okay, guys, we're getting ready. So his first, fourth day here in the house. He's a lucky guy. We've been blessed. And we're gonna put him in the car seat. It's right here ready. And bring him to the car. And I'm gonna keep you guys posted when we get to the party. Because today is all about him. It's not about turkey. It's about saying we're about to leave. So look what happened. This funny guy just had some food, and he has to be changed again. It's alright, it happens. So it's gonna be only 3 minutes to change. There's expectation to change the diaper. You get the mess is, the whole big mess is. So it's first. Actually, he's still in business, so we have to wait. He's ready to go. That's all. How do you start right now? Just to let you know. Oh my god, we're so excited. The star is right here. Let's bring this boy out. Everybody's gonna clap for sure. The aunt doesn't know what to do. The aunt is lost. Can you hold the camera? And that's the first time we have the newborn right here. Look at this. He is the star of the night. You know how it's gonna be. Everybody's so ready for the party, and we're enjoying with this yummy food for the baby. And happy Thanksgiving, everybody! We have something unexpected, but this happens all the time. So now we're all set. Let's go back to the party. Right, babe? This is the celebration. For the first time, this kid is why we're just waiting. It's everything about him. That's all. Look at this kid. There he is. Look at that. And the food served for everyone. It's a time to share and enjoy and be happy. That's all. Look at this kid. He said, I'm Tom, and this is a BabyBlab 24/7. Look at this. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.